WNSTV is brought to you by the Comcast Triple Play. Digital cable, high-speed internet, and digital voice. Call 1-888-COMCAST and find out how much you can save.
Stadium Sports. I went and bought this hat for myself for St. Patrick's Day. And Haney saw it, and then Ray saw it, and they all want it. I went to the Orioles store up at the warehouse. Not that I'd buy anything there, mind you, but I did look for it. They didn't have anything cool like this. Visor, old school, the real bird. I call it the Tom Show paper.
Orioles baseball, feel the magic wave.
So I got two hats. One for Bob, one for Ray. They're old school like me. They asked for them, they're getting them. But this is a great shirt here, look at this. The Sirius 66 bird, the 70 bird, and the 83 Orioles pride. Old school.
When I am at the yard.
Sale. They were on sale. They were. They were like $13.
$13.
I bought this one, man. No sale now that they're 6-1.
Oh, look at you.
Double the price.
Oh, this guy.
Born and raised to love the game involved.
How's Orioles stuff selling, man? Not yet.
It's okay. It's selling okay. You know, hopefully, get the fever later on.
I got my pocket schedule. Really, it's the first one I've had. There's the price schedule. Don't need that. We'll see. See if it holds.
33rd Street, they would play Memorial Stadium. I'd say the memories still live with me. Who love baseball history.